How to make homemade animal repellents. While it may be fun to spot rabbits, deer, and other wildlife in your yard, these animals can become a serious problem for some gardens. The first line of defense is often a fence or other barrier to prevent these animals from entering your yard or garden. If, however, you prefer not to erect these barriers, there are some natural, homemade animal repellents that you can try for keeping your yard free from wildlife. Things you will need: eggs, water, milk, soap, crushed garlic, Tabasco sauce, cayenne pepper, orange or lemon peel, spray bottle. Spray rabbit repellent on the stems or leaves of vulnerable plants. To make a homemade rabbit repellent, mix about 3 tablespoons each of crushed cayenne pepper, Tabasco sauce, and dish soap into a gallon of water. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle, shake well and spray onto the plants. Use deer repellent on and around the plants being affected by deer. To make a deer repellent, mix 2 eggs with a cup each of water and milk. Add a teaspoon each of crushed garlic, Tabasco sauce, and dish soap. Spray this mixture onto the affected plants. Sprinkle cat repellent around the border of the garden. Cats tend to shy away from anything with a citrus smell, especially that of oranges. Mix grated lemon and orange peel and sprinkle this around your garden to keep cats away from plants. Tips: warnings. If you find that you need more drastic results or have a significant wildlife problem, visit your local garden supply center for commercial remedies.